Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we crochet the moon and sun granny square. We need 3 colors. Make a ring. R1 skin the ring. SC8. Slip and chain 2. R2. Then the second round, DC 2 double crochet stitches into every stitch of the first round. So 16 double crochet stitches in total. Change yarn at the last step of the last stitch. Slip to end the second round. Now the moon. 1 short crochet in the same space with the slip stitch. Mark on the first stitch. Next 1 short crochet and 1/2 double crochet in one space. One HDC to DC to DC into next 3 stitches one by one. To treble crochet in next stitch. To DC in each of next 2 stitches. One HDC and 1 SC into next stitch. Next 1 sk and slip. Change back to the white colored yarn. Chain 1. 1 HDC in the same stitch. To HDC in next stitch. One HDC in next stitch. To HDC in next stitch. One HDC in next stitch. To skin to the blow of the first slip stitch, attention goes to only the outside loop. One skin to the blow of the first short crochet stitch. To SC into next stitch. One SC into next stitch. To SC into next stitch. Repeat in such rule. Until there are only 2 stitches left. One blow in each stitch. Slip and chain 2. To DC tog into next 2 stitches, then pull yarn through the 3 loops together and chain 4. Three DC tog into next 3 stitches and pull yarn together and 4 chains. In such rules, crochet to the end. Slip at last. Cut off the yarn and start from a new point. Into one top, 1 short crochet, then there are 2 loops, 1 hook. Now pull blue yarn through the 2 loops. Next for DC into next space. Change back to the white yarn at the last step. Next one DC and change yarn at the last step. Next for DC into next space. Change back to the white yarn at the last step. Repeat in such rules to the end of this round. Slip, chain 1 and cut off the white yarn. 1 short crochet in the same stitch. One skin next 2 stitches. One HDC in next stitch. 1 DC into each of next 2 stitches. One TR into next stitch. Two TR, 2 chains, to trim to next stitch. One corner, SC, 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 HDC, DC, DC, TR, to chur, to chains, to TR, TR, DC, DC, HDC, SC, SC, SC. One TR into next stitches. 1 DC into each of next 2 stitches. One HDC into next stitches. 3 into next 3 stitches. That is one's corner. Crochet another 3 corners in this rule. slip and go to the last round. All short stitches one by one in the last round. Corners are special, including 2 short crochets, 2 chains, and another 2 short crochet.